Hello viewers, this is Sharon Dominic, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Applications, Bishop Heber College, Trichy. This session is about getting to know milestones and its need in software engineering. Let us now discuss about milestones. Here are some pictures of milestones. They are stone tablets which could be noticed at the roadside. They are critical in indicating the path of journey for any traveler. That simple piece of stone carries enough information regarding the place which they are heading to and with which one can get an estimate of the journey that they have undertaken. In the course of project development, a milestone is an essential event that is used to provide attention to progress in terms of achieving predefined milestone objectives. Failure to reach a milestone means that a project is not planned and typically prompts management disciplinary action. Milestones have no duration and are instantaneous occurrences that take place during the project. Let us now discuss how milestones have an impact on project phases. Milestones are key indicators of the start of an activity, activity completion, phase completion, scheduled review completion, acceptance of deliverables, and many other activities. While describing a milestone, one should consider the following. Milestone name. Every milestone should have a name. It is something that describes the milestone. For example, you could consider the preliminary test plan. The second important aspect of a milestone is project event. It specifies the project phase or activity to which the milestone is related. For example, the preliminary test plan is related to the other planning activities in the software development. The next important aspect of a milestone is milestone goals. It defines the conditions necessary for reaching the goals. For example, getting the approval of a test plan. Let us now see the importance of milestones. There is no specification of how many milestones a project can have. The milestones track the progress of a project and control it. The frequency of having milestones leads to the ability of expecting and foreseeing the issues that could arise during the development of a software project. The most common problems that could arise are due to the fear of getting rejected by the user. When we say fear, we understand the fact that every software is developed by a team of software engineers. It involves each and every person's time and effort, and the fear of rejection could have adverse effects. So, milestones could be set up every 2 weeks to have the respective functionality explained to the user. The next problem could be while using immature technology. Consider a case where the project team employs a new technology. Assume that they face some difficulties in the process and things don't work as expected. In such cases, arrange for progress review milestones. Thank you, viewers. I hope you had a better understanding of milestones in software engineering. Thank you once again.